What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to set volume buttons to control sound volume in camera in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open camera app. Now click on this settings icon and then scroll down and click on shooting methods. Now in shooting methods, click on press volume buttons to option and then select control sound volume. Now after selecting this option, when you will press the volume up or down, it will not do any other action. It will increase or decrease the sound volume. So that's how you can set the volume buttons to control sound volume in camera in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.